Each of us a bold explorer, an individual marking the moment in a new millennium. And before this special moment escapes us, here at the dawn of a new age, before we move on to pursue our separate paths of discovery, let us become a single spirit, inspired by the innovations that have brought us to this moment, amazed by the promises of tomorrow, creating hope for a better world. Let us be brought closer together for all time by the simple truth that there is nothing we cannot accomplish hand in hand.
Put your hand on the future, share a dream together around the world, with a voice from every country, a face from every land. We'll celebrate the future hand in hand. We'll celebrate the future hand in hand. The future is coming. We gotta catch it if we can. The magic's unfolding. You can hold it in hand. We can touch tomorrow today to make some memories that'll never fade away. With a voice from every country, a face from every land. We'll celebrate the future. Join the celebration. It's an invitation. Feel the inspiration. Unseen the ocean. I'm not getting started. You can be a part of it. At the very heart of it.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, the moment has arrived. Let us greet the new year hand in hand as we count down together to welcome the new millennium.